Welcome to today's Psych with Sigmund, where we explore the fascinating world of psychology. I'm your host, Sigmund, and today we're going to delve into the concept of cognitive development stages. This is a crucial topic in psychology that helps us understand how our thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making abilities evolve over time. Cognitive development stages refer to the process by which our brains mature and develop, enabling us to think more complexly, reason more effectively, and adapt to new situations. This concept has been extensively studied by psychologists, and it's essential to understand how it impacts our daily lives. From childhood to adulthood, our cognitive abilities undergo significant changes, influencing how we learn, interact with others, and navigate the world around us. One of the pioneers in this field is Jean Piaget, a Swiss psychologist who proposed that children progress through a series of stages, each characterized by unique ways of thinking and problem-solving. According to Piaget, these stages include the sensorimotor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage. Each stage builds upon the previous one, with children developing more advanced cognitive abilities as they grow. Another influential psychologist, Lev Vygotsky, emphasized the role of social interactions and culture in shaping our cognitive development. He argued that we learn and develop through collaborative dialogue with others, a concept known as sociocultural theory. This perspective highlights the importance of social relationships, language, and cultural context in facilitating cognitive growth. Research has consistently shown that cognitive development is a gradual process, with significant advancements occurring during childhood and adolescence. For instance, studies have demonstrated that children's brains undergo rapid changes in regions responsible for attention, memory, and impulse control during the preteen years. Additionally, research on neuroplasticity has revealed that our brains continue to reorganize and adapt throughout life, allowing us to learn new skills and recover from injuries. So, how can understanding cognitive development stages help us in our everyday lives? For one, it can inform our teaching methods and educational approaches. By recognizing the unique cognitive strengths and limitations of different age groups, educators can tailor their instruction to meet the needs of their students. Moreover, this knowledge can help parents and caregivers provide supportive environments that foster healthy cognitive development. In therapeutic settings, understanding cognitive development stages can also guide interventions aimed at promoting healthier thought patterns, emotional regulation, and behavioral change. For example, cognitive behavioral therapy often involves helping individuals identify and challenge negative thought patterns that may have developed during earlier stages of cognitive development. By acknowledging the role of cognitive development in shaping these patterns, therapists can design more targeted and effective interventions. Let's consider a real-world example to illustrate this concept. Imagine a 12-year-old child who is struggling to understand a complex mathematical concept, such as algebra. According to Piaget's theory, this child is likely in the concrete operational stage, where they are able to think logically about concrete events and objects, but may struggle with abstract concepts like algebra. A teacher who understands cognitive development stages could use visual aids, hands-on activities, and real-world examples to help the child develop a deeper understanding of algebraic principles. Another example can be seen in the way we approach learning new skills as adults. According to Vygotsky's sociocultural theory, adults learn best through collaborative dialogue with more knowledgeable others. This means that seeking out mentors, joining study groups, or participating in online forums can be highly effective ways to learn new skills and develop new cognitive abilities. As we conclude our exploration of cognitive development stages, remember that this concept is not just a dry theoretical framework. It's a dynamic living process that shapes who we are and how we interact with the world. By embracing this understanding, we can cultivate greater empathy, patience, and wisdom in our personal and professional relationships. And as you continue on your own journey of cognitive growth, Keep in mind that development is a lifelong process, full of twists, turns, and opportunities for discovery. In addition to cognitive development stages, other psychological concepts like executive function, emotional intelligence, and mindset theory also play crucial roles in shaping our cognitive abilities. Executive function refers to the set of high-level processes that enable us to plan, organize, and regulate our behavior. Emotional intelligence, on the other hand, involves the ability to recognize and manage our emotions, as well as those of others. Mindset theory, developed by Carol Dweck, suggests that our beliefs about our abilities and intelligence can significantly impact our motivation, resilience, and overall cognitive development. Recent research has also highlighted the importance of sleep, exercise, and nutrition in supporting healthy cognitive development across the lifespan. For instance, studies have shown that adequate sleep is essential for memory consolidation, while regular exercise has been linked to improved executive function and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. In conclusion, cognitive development stages is a rich and complex topic that offers valuable insights into the human mind and behavior. By understanding how our cognitive abilities evolve over time, we can better support the development of children, improve our educational systems, and promote lifelong learning and personal growth. As we continue to explore this fascinating field, remember that cognitive development is a dynamic and ongoing process, one that requires patience, curiosity, and a willingness to learn and adapt throughout life. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of cognitive development stages. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss further, please don't hesitate to reach out. That's all for today's episode of Psych with Sigmund. I'm your host, Sigmund, and I look forward to exploring more fascinating topics in psychology with you in the future. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your ego find balance between pleasure and reality.